The first letter towards me, $1,000 fine and like 60 days in jail. Or
I've been at your house where neighbors drove by and flicked us off.
TJ told me this truck was up here and I had to come look at it. Got the 26-inch snowflakes on here. That's so damn clean though.
I'm about to go get the keys.
Are you gonna get the keys?
Yeah.
26-inch snowflakes. If he had some red spike lug nuts on there, everything is color matched on this truck. The brake calipers, bed cover, tinted windows. It's got the sliding glass window in the back. I didn't even know that they made that for these trucks. It's got an aftermarket cover up here. That's pretty cool. Never seen that. All the, literally everything's color matched. It is a high country, so that would make a lot of sense. It's got everything, the color match mirrors, doors. It's even got the little cameras underneath. That's pretty cool. I don't know if y'all can see that. Color matched bumpers, emblems, bed cover. Dang. I don't know if y'all can see this. It almost looks like a really dark navy blue headliner with the sunroof. And then he's got some gold accent pieces in here, which are pretty cool around the front here and on the steering wheel. It's kind of nice. I really like these new trucks, man. I really do. I should get one. Such a beautiful truck, fully color matched, 2019 Chevy Silverado High Country on the 26-inch snowflakes. Absolutely beautiful. Even though the front's messed up, I don't know what happened here. I'm not really sure. Drove 20 minutes for this today. Got a little cornbread and some fries, some Cajun catfish, and mac and cheese. This is I don't know if you would consider this like Atlanta food. I guess so. I'm really excited. Look at that little lemon. Ooh. So a lot of you guys are gonna wonder what the title and the caption of this video is. And before we go fishing today, I actually had some subscribers actually put in the comments they want us to do some more fishing. So a little pre-hurricane fishing today that we're gonna do. But I got a letter in the mail the other day that I think you guys need to see. Yes, it is HOA related, and I have gotten an HOA letter in the mail before, but I'm just gonna jump into it. So, from the Homeowners Association, date October 23rd, 2020. They've got my license plate number. I guess they don't know what a Silverado is because it says silver truck instead of a Silverado. Parking violation. Parking violation. Your vehicle is in violation of your Homeowners Association parking rules and regulations. In accordance with the lease agreement, parking of any vehicle in the street, sidewalk, curb, or grass is prohibited. Failure to comply with these rules will/can result in a fine of up to $200 and/or cancellation of lease agreement. If the current issue is not fixed, a representative from the HOA will contact the lease agreement holder, being me, and further action will be taken. Property management 770 blah blah blah. Comments below. Please contact. Her name's Amy. Guys, we're going to war with Amy from HOA as of right now. So Amy, if you're watching this video, first of all, I park in the street during the day. I was told we can't park in the street at night, but we park during the day. You guys have seen us in countless videos park during the day. And Amy, I don't know what this crap is. I don't know which one of my neighbors keeps I don't know what the deal is. This is ridiculous. I'm parking in the street during the day. Like, I moved the truck during this is ridiculous. I don't know what the hell is going on. So this is actually the first letter towards me. I think the first letter said something about $1,000 fine and like 60 days in jail or something.
I remember that.
That one, you remember that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one was just like, I think just a welcome to the neighborhood, don't do this kind of letter. But this one actually has my like license plate and my truck and everything on it. So yeah, Amy from HOA is on our ass right now, and I don't know. I'm kind of like, do we for the YouTube? Do we play games with it? How far do we go?
I've been at your house where neighbors drove by and flicked us off.
Really?
Yeah, that day I was at your house with the trailer. Somebody flipped me off.
Shit. Well, I guess we'll deal with this later on. But Yeah, Amy from HOA is on our ass. But hey, Amy, we're gonna do some fishing. I hope I catch a big one, just for you. Little guy. Finally got one. That little fish, hey, he has been messing with you for quite some time now. I haven't been able to film very much, but I just caught this little guy out of that little drainage hole over there. I knew there had to be at least one little fish in there, and I just kept casting in there. Just persistence will get you a bite every single time. Look at the little guy. I'm sorry. Yeah, little tiny, little dinky. Flash. Bye bye. That's what I'm talking about.